Hello and welcome back. So oil update again this time. So if you remember, we were expecting oil to drop from that top 119 or 120 or whatever that top was, 123, and price is just simply nicely heading towards $60 mark. Okay, so $60, and this is the $60, all right, and possibly lower than the 50 in coming months, all right. But right now market is not expecting that, because market is looking at the physical supply and think that there's going to be oil shortage, which going to cause the oil to spike, all right. But demand is falling significantly after having hawkish Fed and higher rates and tight policy, which can cause the deep recession and can falter the demand, and oil can go much lower. Right now $60 price cap is being is simply set by the EU on Russian oil, and market is just trying to go that way, trying to go at $60, trying to find that place. Okay, in the previous video analysis, so look at these updates. I have already shown you these updates, so I'm gonna look at the recent one. The recent update we had, we were expecting price to break down from here, all right, break down, continue to keep dragging lower towards $60 mark, or bounce back, go back, or correction. All right, so we had that correction over there. Again, price simply is just breaking down. Okay, so we had that correction, we were watching that correction to break down. All right, and when it was setting up for a breakout, we had OPEC meeting, and OPEC did not change anything, which was slightly bullish for the dollar. Okay, so slightly went higher, and then again started to fall aggressively. There we can see that the breakout was happening over there for the downside yesterday on oil. So that was the breakout, clear breakout, and price is just simply, we can see there that the price held those moving averages nicely, and the breakout was just coming out over there, and price is just set to tag that low right now. So it is set to tag the previous low, 80, 73 mark. Okay, so the price still looking oil to tag is the 60, right? So, or this previous low 65 or 60 within these areas. Again, what to expect from the oil right now at the current price? Okay, right now it's just simply heading towards the $73 mark. Okay, the updates which we have just seen, we had a breakout over there, price was breaking nicely, heading towards that low, so price is set to tag that low. So what to look for on the oil? Again, similar analysis, similar price action, which I have spoken about oil in the previous video analysis. Okay, so we're going to see bounce off over there, some talks again from the OPEC countries that they're gonna support the oil, or blah blah blah, all right, or supply cut. Then we may see again a bounce off over there, and price can correct and can bounce off over there all the way back to that previous high. Okay, there is still a possibility for that move. Okay, the EU sanctions took place yesterday on 5th of December on Russian oil. All right, market is still, market is not, oil market doesn't see any supply shortage at the moment. Okay, so who's selling the oil? White House. They want lower oil prices. Okay, they are selling their SPR. They are releasing their oil reserves, which is causing the oil to go down. While the OPEC countries, they are cutting their supply. Yeah, they want a higher oil prices. So who's gonna win? Definitely White House gonna win. Okay, price gonna go there where White House want prices to go. Biden prices to go. Price is not going to go there where OPEC wants to go right now. All right, so OPEC want higher prices, but it's falling. All right, so we are having a double-edged sword on oil prices from right now. One is the White House. They are applying a lot of they are having a lot of we can say that control Okay, they got the control on oil prices. They want oil prices to go lower, and also Fed is on their side. They are tightening the policy, which is causing the demand to fall, even after having some good news from China that the China is going to reopen. All right, but still prices are falling. So oil is set to go for a $60. So we are looking oil to just simply keep falling towards the 60. All right. And in case if we are going to see again any kind of politics from the OPEC, then as I said, if it bounce off again similarly, okay, then you are looking for a short move, correction, and go back up. If you don't see that short move like the previous one, okay, then simply fall back, tag that low, and aggressively break out and continue to keep dragging lower. Okay, if it doesn't do that, then simply go for a correction and again keep dragging lower. Okay, so analysis is very much similar like the previous video analysis. All right, so it's just about to tag the previous low price action area where we may see either breakout and continue to keep dragging lower, or another bounce off like the previous one. All right, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another analysis. Bye.